Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a group on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Facebook application on your phone. If you don't have it, of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just log in into your account and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch Facebook application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here, that will be actually your home/main screen, and you'll find here your posts of your friends, posts of the pages that you like, interested on, and etc. Something like that. So first of all, if you want to delete a group, you will want to have a group because of course you can delete other people's group. So if you want to have access to your group, all you need to do, just go and click at the three lines at the top right corner here, then click add groups there. Of course, if you don't have a group, you would like to go and click at your groups, then click at create. But for me, I already have a group. Of course, if you click at create, they will ask you to name your group, choose privacy, and other several stuff. Of course, you would like to do that if you don't have a group. For me, as I said, let's just discard. For me, as I said, I have a group. So as you can see here, groups you manage. I'm just gonna click on that, and that will actually be my group here. So how can I actually delete that? So it's simply by go and clicking at manage. Then here, as you can see, if I scroll down to the bottom, as you can see, I have here the option of delete group. Of course, if I click at the settings at the top right corner icon, if I go to group settings here, if I scroll down again to the bottom, as you can see, I will not find here delete group. So I will only find this here. All I need to do, just go and click at delete group. So as you can see here, since you're the last admin and member leaving will also delete this group. So if you are actually the last admin or the only admin on group, you will actually be able to delete your group by just kind of leaving the group. So if you actually have like people on that, ask them to leave, or you can just kick them out because you're an admin, and then delete your group by being the last one at leaving. So just click at that and then click at delete your group and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.